to delete a billing statement that has already been submitted, and the billing status has changed to on-process region and onwards. Proceed to the Delete Billing Statement tab. Then select the school year in the drop-down list. Click Request Deletion. When a dialog box appears, attach a letter of request signed by the school director or principal. Click Send Request, or click Cancel to close the dialog box. For updates, check the status of Service Requests page regularly.